In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to change the color of your name in Clash Royale. As you can see, currently if I click on my profile, my name is unbeatable and it's just in white. But all you need to do to actually just change the color of it is you actually need to go over here, go to settings, 3 lines, top right hand corner. And from here, you just click on the settings option. And you actually just want to click on the change name feature right under audio. And then you just click on OK. It basically just says you get 1 free name change, otherwise it costs gems. And then you have to enter in that name. Now, to actually make it colorful, what you have to do is I've actually labeled all the color codings right here. You can just type in C2, C3, C3, 4, 5, 6, etc. Depending on the color you want. Here's an example. And I'm just going to do it right here. So first you type in the bracket. If I want to do C2, let's just say I want my name to be red. You just type in C2 and then you type in brackets and then you type in your name, unbeatable. You click on continue and then you retype your name, which is once again this figure. Then you type in the letters and numbers and close it, and then you type in unbeatable. Click on continue, and as you can see, this will be like, are you sure? And all you just do is you type in confirm in all caps, click on OK. And if we go back here, you can see if I go over to this chat right here and just type in any message, or if I just hop in a battle, it actually will not work. You can see it says 2 and then that symbol and then your name. To actually do this, you actually need Pass Royale. That's the only way to get it to work. And then it will actually change your name to whatever color you've typed in on this notes thing right here.